Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, and it's the only thing that I know. And when it gets hard, you know it can get hard.